Expanding the timeline on Final Cut Pro is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to expand the timeline for, and as you can see I have my project loaded. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the far right of the editing panel where you see the icon that says change the appearance of the clips in the timeline. You're going to click on that icon, and the first option you should have is a magnifying glass with a minus sign, and on the far right you should have a magnifying glass with a plus sign that says zoom in. So here you realize once you move the slider, uh you move it towards the magnifying glass with the plus sign, you realize the timeline expands. And likewise, if you want to collapse it, you can also move it backwards and you realize the timeline collapses also. Now that is how to expand timeline on Final Cut Pro. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.